Well, now let's get to that final trade of the day. Joel Hawthorne, the founder of the Morning Snapshot, joins us now. And what is your trade, Joel?
Today, Angie, I am looking at Express, symbol EXPR. This is a stock that's been getting a lot of attention lately on the Wall Street bets kind of circuit, and I'm very interested on maybe being able to catch some of that momentum with them as well.
What are you seeing on Reddit and other social media sites about this stock?
Well, definitely I've seen over probably the past week or so, I saw influx in volume, along with there's been a certain surge of implied volatility, which means that there is there's implication that a move is to come. Quite frankly, Express is gonna report earnings early June. So I think that with the kind of the reopening trade, if you would, this is a retail stock that I think is poised to really kind of get some momentum and kind of do some business. But I think because of the share price, it's currently trading around like $3 and change or so. I think this is one that is absolutely poised to maybe get some momentum through like the Wall Street bets. As we know, we kind of heard about the GameStops and the AMCs in the past. I think this is one that's definitely going to be able to kind of gain some momentum in that realm. So I am actually bullish here. I'm buying some of the $3 calls that expire at the end of the month here at the end of May. There's some weeklies, the May 28th, I believe, is that date. They're right around about 65 cents on the offer. So still right now fairly decent enough. It is a risky trade for me because I just want to buy the calls, and my risk is what I pay for the calls. But nonetheless, if this thing gets on the move here, I could definitely gain some momentum here ahead of earnings.
A big risk indeed, because I know a lot of times you traders do not deal with stocks that are $3. You like them higher than $5.
Yeah, definitely. I agree with you 100%. I think this is one for me that because of the certain what we saw what happened at AMC and what we saw obviously what happened in GameStop, I think this is one of those where 65 cents is my exposure. If I'm wrong, I lose the 65 cents. But nonetheless, I don't really want to. It's almost too interesting for me to pass up if this thing does explode and maybe this stock goes from it's trading around $3.50 or so, or $3.30 right now. If this thing goes to $4, $5 or so, but right before earnings, I want to be able to capture some of that momentum.
A lot of good information. Thank you so much, Joel.
Thanks for having me, Angie.
Yeah, check us out on social media. We're on Facebook, YouTube, and Twitter. And go to businessfirstam.com for where to see our show on TV.